Guys, what is up? Welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Briszell, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing for the Izzy and Liv subscription box for the month of November, okay? I got the delivery today and I cannot wait to unbox it, so let's get started. So in this package, it came with two boxes. There's this pink box and it came with the brown sugar box. Ooh, that picture is beautiful. You see that? Oh, that is beautiful. In this pink box, it says it's a ceramic mug with a lid and spoon. So I'm about to open it. A little golden spoon. I do not like this. What is it, styrofoam? Oh my gosh. Ooh, this is pretty. Ooh, look at this. This is cute. This is really cute. I have to take, because it's in there, I have to take the whole thing out. It's a little cup. Can you see that? The glare on it. Oh, look at that. That is cute. And it comes with a little spoon. Oh, I've never seen nothing like this. This is so freaking cute. Now, I'm going to open up the box. Okay. All right. So the first two things I see are these two magazines. This is a gift guide, and this is just the regular magazine that they send with all of them. I love that color that she's wearing. So the first item that I received are some socks. Let's take them out of the package. I got 3 pairs of socks. I've never worn socks like this, so I'm gonna open it. All right. So it's these. This pair. I think I really like the pink ones. The pink ones are really cute. It just has a girl's face on it. Okay. See, I don't normally buy socks like this. I don't know why. Well, I do know why. It's kind of like, I've always felt like it wasn't my style, so I never bought any socks like this, but I'm most definitely wearing these, most definitely. So the next product I received, so the next product is a bag of coffee by the brand Coffee and Grace. Now, I don't have a coffee maker. I don't, because I don't drink coffee that often. So I do want to try this coffee out. I'll probably take it to work and try it that way, because I know at work there's a coffee maker. I know it's crazy, but I am going to figure out a way of trying this coffee out. Yes, I got some coffee. This next product is a beanie. This hat is cute. Okay, it's cute. It says, "Don't let the cute face fool you." I'm about to put this on my head because I really, and the inside is lined with some satin, and I am loving that. It protects your hair too. This gray color is fire. So we're gonna, I don't wear hats, you know, I don't, because I don't like putting things on my head, but let's see if it's gonna fit on my fat head. Okay, whew, ciao. Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay, maybe if my hair wasn't so like big, I don't know, my head wasn't so big, shit. This is cute. I probably wouldn't wear it like this because I don't like things smushing my hair down, but this hat is so freaking cute. This hat is beautiful. This hat is so freaking cute. I just love that it's lined with some satin. Oh my God. So my hair is gonna be protected when I have this hat on. Oh, no. Bruh, that's why I don't wear hats on my head. It messes up my hair. So the last product that I received is my t-shirt. You receive a t-shirt with every box. And I have been loving all the t-shirts I received lately. So, lately. I've been loving all of the t-shirts I've been given. Yeah. It's a button-up tunic. Okay. All right. So this shirt, I'm most definitely going to have to try on because one thing I will say is I'm not a fan. Well, okay, I can't say I'm not a fan. I've learned that I need to change things up when it comes to my wardrobe. I really do. I'd be so scared to try new things, and I really need to just step out of the box and wear different clothes. So this shirt is buttoned up. I am going to try it on so that you guys can see. I'm not sure what I would wear this with. Honestly, I don't know. I have to unbutton. I don't like all the buttons. I'd be over it. The whole shirt is buttoned up. Honestly, I wouldn't wear something with this design on it. Like, if I saw it at the store, I probably would not buy it just because I'm not a big fan of this color. This like reddish color. I don't like it, but I think that I really have to try this shirt on because I like to judge books by their cover. I don't like to actually read them. So yeah. And then I'm gonna figure out what to wear with it, and I'm wearing this t-shirt, okay? I'm wearing it. I really do need to try some different clothes on because I wear the same clothes. I wear mainly black, and I really need to wear a lot more color. I really do. I'm afraid of color. I've come to the conclusion that I am afraid of color. You guys probably can't see that because I'm zoomed. So this tunic is really cute. It really is. I would say it is a little too big for me to wear it the way that I want to. I feel like I do have to get a belt to like make it a little bit smaller in the waist area. Not the waist area, but in the stomach area, I would have to just make it a little bit smaller. I know that I could return this. I just don't like to. I really don't. I don't like returning things. I wish I wasn't like that, but hey. So I am going to make this shirt work. I did find that if I wear a shirt underneath and then just leave it opened, it will work that way too. So I'm going to make it work. I'm actually really excited to find I think I'm going to wear some like black leggings with this. I know, so colorful, but I don't really know what else to pair with this. I'm gonna figure it out. I'm gonna figure it out. I'm gonna leave this on because why not? Hey, why not? So that was everything that was in my November Izzy and Liv subscription box. I really like this cup. I think this cup was so freaking cute, like with the lid and everything. I think this was just so cute. I'm really happy with the items that I received, but I think my favorite item was the cup. I think that cup was just so cute with the little lid and spoon. It was really cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And if you are not subscribed and you want to continue to get videos from me, then please hit the subscription button down below and turn on your post notifications so you will get notified when I upload a video. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I appreciate all of you guys for taking out your time to watch my video. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Always remember, guys, to smile, stay positive, and spread that positive vibe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.